Good morning students, welcome back to online class of GK of class 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Students, as you all know, your 3 classes of GK is over and this is your 4th class. In this class, I will give you revision test answers and then I will give you answer of page number 18, 19, 20. As you all know, your page number 7 to 17 is over. So now come on your test paper answers. Here, your first question was fill in the blanks, and the second is draw the road signs. So first is they live mostly in shallow waters. They have a large tusk and are one of the heaviest land animals. So answer is walrus. Same as the second question answer is emperor penguin, and third is goiter, fourth carrot, fifth dragonfly. You all can match your answer with this answer sheet. And the second question was draw the following road signs. So stop, here is the road sign stop, no entry, here is the road sign and no entry, here is speed limit sign, and the next one is speed breaker ahead, here is the sign of speed breaker, and here is the sign of two-way traffic. So you all can match your answer with this answer sheet. Now come on, take out your book and then open page number 18. Here page number 18 and your chapter name is all about the Nobel Prize. First of all students, I will explain you what is Nobel Prize. Here, what is the Nobel Prize? Same as you all have to mention here question. The Nobel Prize is the most prestigious award in the world. Till here you have to write the answer. It is a set of annual international awards awarded to people and organizations for outstanding contribution to mankind in their respective fields. Different fields में बहुत अच्छा contribution के लिए ये award दिया जाता है. Now next, who started this tradition? This tradition of annual awards was started by Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel ने ये tradition start करा था. He wrote in his will that his vast fortune was to be used to create annual prize for those who give the greatest benefit to mankind. Today the Nobel Committee set up by Alfred Nobel administer these awards. Alfred Nobel 1833 to 1896. What is the prize? The Nobel Prize is a gold medal, a diploma and a sum of money decided by the Nobel Foundation. It is awarded every year on 10th of December, the day Alfred Nobel died. Understood? I hope you all are understood this theory. You all can read by yourself. Now next, here categories of a Nobel Prize awarded. Here physics, chemistry, in this categories, in this area we give a Nobel Prize. Literature, economics, peace. Now section of awarded: request, nominations, receive nomination, evaluated, review, final selection, then award. This is the selection process. You all can see step 1 here already mentioned as a chart. Step 1 request nomination, then receive nominations, evaluate and shortlist, then review process, final selection, then award. So this is all about the award given criteria. Now come on, next page 19 page. Here the question is, now answer these simple questions to know more about the Nobel Prize awarded. Here is the question first. How many Nobel Prizes are currently awarded each year? Answer is 6. Now next, when the Nobel Prize was established in 1901, there were only 5 awards. Which award was added in 1968? So answer is economics. Here is the answer. You can see second, economics, ECONOMICS. Next, name the country where the Nobel Prizes are awarded and also where Alfred Nobel was born. So answer is Sweden. Now next, from what invention did Alfred Nobel make his fortune? Dynamite. Fifth, name the youngest recipient of the Nobel Prize till date. Malala Yousafzai. Sixth, name the woman scientist who was awarded a Nobel Prize for both physics and chemistry. Marie Curie. Seventh, name the first Indian to be awarded the Nobel Prize for economics. Amartya Sen. And the eighth was, name the British Prime Prime Minister who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1953? Winston Churchill. So this is your first exercise. You all can see and write. You all can be able to write from here. Now second exercise. Here you can see, can you identify these novel literatures? Write the correct letter in each box. Means letter means here is a help box. Here you at the last of the paper, bottom of the paper, you can see here is a help box. In this way you all can write the number, and these alphabet you have to fill in the box according to the question. Your first is who got the Nobel Prize? First is in chemistry, answer is Marie Curie. In this way you all have to write. The way I have written, you all have to write in that way only. Now next, peace, Kofi Annan, and then next, third, peace, Barack Obama. Fourth, literature, Rudyard Kipling. Here alphabet also you have to write. Here alphabet also you have to write. Now next, physics, C.V. Raman. Next, peace, Aung San Suu Kyi. Next, literature, V.S. Naipaul, and next, Malala Yousafzai. In this way you all have to fill the letters and you have to write the name, same as you all have to write. Okay, I hope you all get the answer of this chapter. Now page number 20. Here I have written two questions. Your first question is write the opposite of the following words, or second is write the antonyms of the following words. Words, your chapter name is crossword with opposites. Here some words given you, across and down. Across, the words are aged, remember, thin, soar. So you all have to write opposite words of these words. Aged, suppose here aged, the opposite of aged is young. And third, remember, opposite of remember is forget. So in this way you all have to write here in this box, and here also you have to write in front of the question. So I am zooming in. You all can write in this way: remember, forget, thin, fat, sour, sweet, low, high, nervous, calm, clean, dirty, weak, strong, and the short, 16th, tall. Okay. And across means, students, you have to fill answer in this way, and down means you have to fill the answer in this way. Okay, up to down, downwards, and left to right, across. Okay, now next, downwards. Here is not a space, so I have written here wrong, correct, slow, fast. You all can also write here. Okay, full, empty, thin, thick, sad, happy, soft, hard, dark, light, smooth, rough, and the white, tame. After writing all these answers here, you all have to fill in this cross puzzle. Okay, I hope you all get the answer and you will be able to write it clearly and neatly. Students, it is sufficient for today. You all have to write it neatly and clean. After doing it, your homework is you all have to write this exercise, this one. After learning, you have to do in your copy, GK revision copy, this exercise and this one after learning. Okay, question you have to write, then after answer. In this you have to write one question, physics and chemistry, who got the Nobel Prize. First you have to write this question, then this, after this answer. Okay, in this way you have to do your homework. In this chapter you have to do in homework. So student, it is sufficient for today till page number 20, and from page number 21 I will give you in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. I will meet you in next class.